Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now. Clear at least 200 MB of space and close background apps so the update can install without failing. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because mobile data increases risk of partial downloads. Once done, make sure you know the registered phone number and have any ID or verification ready. This prevents lockouts during re-authentication. Tap the Play Store or App Store page for Jazzcash and press Update. Do not launch the app until the updater finishes completely. While the update downloads and installs, monitor progress and avoid opening the app prematurely. Partial installs cause crashes. When prompted, grant necessary permissions one at a time. Allow SMS and storage for secure onboarding, but only grant location if needed. Once installation completes, open settings within the Jazzcash app and confirm the version number matches the release notes. If prompted, re-log in with the registered phone number and follow any in-app prompts to complete migrations or data reconciliation. Finish by completing any post-update setup and verifying your balance and recent transactions. Make sure everything looks consistent. If the interface is slow or some buttons don't respond, force close the app and relaunch, then reboot the device if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if the update fails or the app won't open, clear the Play Store/App Store cache and the Jazzcash cache, then retry the update. Only uninstall and reinstall as a last resort, because that may require re-verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.